How to change brush size in Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the brush size on your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. If not, head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Snapchat. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open. Here tap on the gallery icon on your bottom left. Then it will open up your camera section. From here tap on any photo that you would like to edit and use the brush on. As you do so, tap onto the pencil icon just beside the T icon. Now if you would like to change the size of the brush, all you have to do is bring your two fingers on the screen and expand it likewise. As you do so, this is how you will be able to change the brush size. If you would like to undo this action, tap on undo icon on your top right. If you would like to again change the brush size, zoom out of your screen. So you can zoom in order to increase the brush size and zoom out to decrease the brush size. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.